channel. This is Studio Ray's Boys and Their Toys. Listen guys, you can see I got me a new toy here. It's the 15-watt steam cleaner kit. I picked this up at Harbor Freight with a 25% discount off. I got this based on a recommendation from my brother. Check out his channel, Technically Eric. Let's get into it. It's something that I needed for my minivan, because if you own a minivan, you know what I'm talking about.
Alright, so right now I'm going to use it for my van. Up top here, I don't know if you guys can see it. See, I got some spills right there. So I'm going to use and I'm going to use it over here, dark spots with the kids, So I'm using different locations to see how it works for me. So it should do the job. I'm still waiting to pick up a rug cleaner to help me suck all the stuff out. But in the meanwhile, I'll just use what I have. Alright, so let's open it up. Let's take a look at it, see what's in it. Got the directions. It's well packed, of course. It comes with a bunch of accessories, guys. And the only thing, again, I'm not going to get all into the accessories or what have you. But the one thing I noticed when I spoke to my brother, you have to store these accessories separately. There's nothing, they don't give you a bag or anything. So I brought up a couple, a bin that I'm gonna keep all these accessories, so that there'll be a one spot. So I suggest if you are gonna pick this up, buy a little small bin with a top, so you can keep all your accessories together. All right. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna get it powered up, and let's get into it to see how it works. All right. So if you want more details on exactly what comes in, check out my brother's video. He did a real good video on this machine. My main purpose is debuting. It's just showing you how it's operating in my situation. All right, if it's something you should pick up, I got a good hunch it is. So let's get into it. All right. All right, guys. Like you can see, I got it taken out of the box. Well compact. It comes with a lot of accessories. That's what I like about this machine, and I guess that's why I got so many positive reviews. They give you accessories for everything, dude. You get it for your grills, tile. Alright, this one here is for, again, if you need to steam your grill, which is ideal. Alright, a lot of accessories. Alright, this is for shower doors or windows. Alright, for the floor. Again, a lot of, and as you can see, I recommend getting like a little clear bucket or a case like this, because it doesn't give you anything to store all these pieces, so you're gonna need something to put this all away. So I ended up picking up this clear one, Bella clear storage bin from BJ's. So it was ideal. It was like 5 for like $10, I believe, something like that, $10-15. So pick up one of these to store all your stuff. It comes with 2 extension poles with it. Again, if you can find something to accommodate the extension poles, that's ideal. I don't have it, so this is going to be fine for me. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm waiting for distilled water to come. I sent my wife out to pick it up for me. You're going to need distilled water. Don't use regular water, as they suggest for this machine. And again, I'm going to use it. First time I'm going to use it on my van. Alright, I got a lot of dirty spots. Kids are very hard on the van. A lot of spots everywhere. So I'm going to see how it works out. I'm pretty sure it's going to work well. It has a lot of good reviews. So, word of caution again, they said still water only. Once you're done, let it sit for about 20 minutes, because it's pressured with a lot of steam, so you don't want to injure yourself. Everything goes up through this little nozzle here, pressed down. It's almost like a radiator cap, and untwist it. Alright, everything goes in here. Again, distilled water, put it back on, and just let it sit before you release that steam. Alright, use the funnel that they give you and the measuring cup right there. And that's pretty much it. It's nothing
Nothing too complicated about it. I have the attachment for the rug because I'm attached. Attack this location when I spilled coffee, and it's been there for quite a few years. So I'm gonna try to get that all sucked up, and that's pretty much it. Again, this only loosens the dirt, it doesn't suck it up. So I'm gonna loosen it, and I'm gonna come back with my shop vac and vacuum it up. Yes, all right. Again, if you own a minivan and you got kids, I think getting a steamer for your minivan is ideal. All right. My kids are hard in the back. All right. So as you can see, of the years of dust and dirt and stuff. So I'm gonna use this steamer to get in here and clean this stuff up. Cause no matter how much I vacuum or wipe it down, it doesn't come out. So let me demonstrate how this steamer is working. Again, it's only going to loosen the dirt. They're going to come back and wipe it up. All right, so. All right, just for that little bit there, guys. And I'll come back with a towel and wipe it up. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was before. All right, and that's only because I'm trying to record this and hold the camera at the same time. But it is doing its job. It's definitely ripping through this dirt and loosening it all up. So, and that's the main reason I bought the steamer, just to help me get with certain projects to get it clean better. So I just want to show that to you guys. What I'm gonna do here, let's go with this here one more time. And this thing is very hot. All right, I think it's like over 1,000 degrees to say, so be very careful. Boy. All right, guys. All right, there he goes. All right, it's definitely a lot better than it was before. All right, so I'm gonna continue on and getting this all cleaned up. But if I should say, picking up the steamer and getting a discount on it, is you should add it to your arsenal. All right, of tools. All right, guys. So, a lot of accessories. Pick you up one of these things to help store all your tools, and that's pretty much it. What I'm going to do, again, I'm going to put a link to my brother's who does a much better debut on what type of parts you get. I'll put a link to his video so you can look at it. This is just a quick look and my recommendation on picking up this thing, the Central Machinist from Harbor Freight. Can't go wrong for the price, and I think it's ideal. So add it to your arsenal, guys. And that's it, guys. Just, again, use distilled water. Be careful, it's hot, but as far as I'm concerned, it does work. All right, it'll help me get all this stuff done and, you know, get this van back in some decent order. All right, because again, the kids are just too hard with the van. But you got kids, you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, guys, I'll see you later. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Tell me why. This video is pretty much a quick one. All right, I wasn't planning on doing a video on this, but I figured, why not? Let me just put one out there for you guys to see. For, again, more information out there, the better consumer you are. All right? Again, pick it up. Get the 25% discount from Harbor Freight. Don't pay full price. And add it to your arsenal. I don't think you'll be disappointed. All right? Boys and their toys. Talk to you later, guys. Peace.